I was mowing my lawn when I heard the murmuring of bees, and I thought, oh, there's a swarm. So yeah, I wonder where it came from, but yeah, it's but normal if the hive is really strong. So hopefully this swarm will settle, but it seems that they are settling in the topmost branches. So anyway, I just savor the moments and I can hear the buzzing bees. We don't want that swarming, but yeah. There you go. Bees. I hope I can still have you a guide. It's a beautiful day today. There you go. Look at that. Nice view. There you go. Good day everyone. I'm here in my yard and I noticed one of my hives. So bees are all around the hive, and what I'm going to do is to free some space for the bees to go inside. So I'll remove either one or two broods in there if it's really strong, and then put foundation in replace so that there will be a space for the bees to go inside. So yeah, this is just another story, and waiting for the green orchardists to call me and then bring this last lot of hives. And yeah, pollination is done for the season before we go to the next level, which is hopefully we can get honey this season. And later on we'll show you on how we are doing it. Okay, if you want to see more videos and see some other things that we are doing here in the operation, just subscribe, comment, and haring pukyutan at your service. Cheers, have a good day.